The keepsake capsule is a perfect gift for any special occasion. Once we receive your order, we take a basewood box to our fabrication lab to engrave. We provide 3 different color options that give the box a rich dark look, a rustic bronze look, or a simple glossy look. After the stain is applied, extra layers of gloss are applied to give it a more polished feel. The laser then engraves into the wood, leaving us to sand out all the imperfections to ensure quality. The keepsake capsule is available for weddings, graduations, birthdays, newborns, and jewelry boxes.